You got it. You guys are like my dream team, for real.
Tubio and I graduated together.
Oh, no way, I didn't know that.
Him and I went through, so we graduated at Life University. In school, you're only allowed to just one other person.
Oh,
him and I were reciprocal.
No way.
Yeah, he actually introduced me to my wife. And
no way, I didn't know. I mean, I knew you guys were cool, but I didn't know like that.
Yeah,
that's awesome. Oh, that's really cool.
But yeah, that's why when he started his YouTube, I had him out to South Carolina.
Yeah, that is so cool. I mean, and I totally know, like, you're known for the Y strap, and he's known for the occipital lift, all that. But like, I wonder, is anything that you do, because I know every second of what you do, your thing, is any of that like the same crack, just not in that position he does? Like, you know what I mean? You know how you kind of made that your thing. He's got that. Do you know what I'm saying? But like,
you know, the funny
is
thing?
Any of it the occipital lift, just in different positions, and we don't know it?
When I do, there's a certain upper cervical adjustment that I'll do it laying down.
Totally know. That's
so. When Tubio first started, he was always doing the Y strap just like me, and I was like, dude.
Get your own thing.
I'm like, dude, no, I told him, I'm like, dude, do the occiput lift. I'm like, showcase that as like your main thing. I'm like, because, right, you know, everyone, like when it comes to YouTube algorithm, it shows me, like I'm portrayed with Y strap. I'm like, switch it up, do your occiput lift, because him and I were both short. So, majority of patients, you know, like, he'll literally like get up on the table.
Oh yeah.
Because we're short and that angle that you need has got to be up.
Yep.
And that's why I hook it up on the table.
Yep. Totally. And like you like crave it, like when you're in Indiana watching you thinking, oh my gosh, I don't know where he's at, I want to go. Same thing, like people want that, you know, the occipital lift, or they, you know, I'm so excited.
But now let's see.
Okay.
What do we got going on?
So always for, I mean, 10, 15 years, you know, neck, what I call between my shoulder blades, you know, that middle upper thoracic that I know from your videos, right? Okay, that whole thing. I wake up with numb arms. I'll wake up and shake it, so that, I don't know if that's shoulder or wrist. I don't know what that is.
Okay.
I have a new, sciatica, I call it sciatica. I don't know if I've never been to the doctor for it, but in the last few months, it's like left side. I mean, I could almost like touch it in here. Okay, so I have that pain that kind of radiates down. That's a new one.
Okay.
Recently, like the last month, middle back this way in the middle.
Okay.
Like when I cough, a shooting pain, not in the front like chest or lungs. It's definitely a back pain, but that's been a new one. The lower back is something that I can't self-release. Like my daughter does these twisties where she gets loud thumbs that your watchers would love. I can't ever get any relief down here myself. So I'm so excited, hopefully, that we'll be able to get something in all you do. That lower back. I always, what I've been calling sciatica, I mean, like when I stand up, I kind of got to get my bearings before I can walk. I mean, it's definitely you know, it's been very painful on that left side. So I don't hope it, I don't know if any of this, your thing, has anything to do with sciatica. We'll relieve it, that would be awesome.
Heck yeah.
What else? Going down. Yeah, I think I've pretty much hit it all. The one thing I don't have is headaches.
Okay.
I've never been in any major car accidents, a few, but nothing that I would consider why I have all my pain.
Yep.
I've always been overweight. I've always had smaller legs and a bigger belly, and the way that sits on my back and the way that I, this when I walk, and my posture has always been like this even as a kid, you know, and what I always refer to as my hunchback. As you see, I came in all black like a ninja to shave off some pounds for the camera. But yeah, so the hunchback, I mean, you know, that, it's just, but man, the neck and this is always so tight, and like there, it just releases doing that. Always, I'm always just wishing for an adjustment. And I have seen chiropractors. I had a regular guy that I was going to regularly, and unfortunately he was a very small practice by himself and closed through the pandemic. And then after that I've been to two, and they just It's just, I mean, nobody does what you do. Nobody does. I mean, really,
Yeah.
the full body, you just don't get that. It's just not, you know. But I mean, I felt gypped when I left those two. So I just haven't been back to a regular person in a couple years.
I hear ya.
I'm not gonna lie. Last 2 years ago, vacation when we were here, they advertised all those $29 first adjustments. I went to one just because I wanted the relief of that one time, you know. But I literally, it was just ridiculous. So I'm excited for some real relief. So excited. I'll put my hair up for you though. Always drives me nuts in your videos when everybody has their hair down.
Let me steal your glasses.
Oh sure, go right ahead. Thank you. Dr. Cipriano just took off my glasses.
First, let's see, what do we got going on up here? Ooh, really tight, that's for sure.
I was wondering what you would say about all the things. When you had me lay down and lift my legs, I always wonder what you'd say about me personally. So tight, huh?
Oh yeah, all of this, even into the traps, going across. Man, we're gonna have some fun.
Yes!
This is newer. This I've maybe only had in like 2 videos. And I love it. It's intense.
Yeah, it is. I'm sure you don't hang out in the comment sections of your videos, but it cracks.
I try not to.
There was one, and I try to, you know, not say anything either, but there was one, it was you were adjusting Mama Sip, and somebody, you know, everybody always says something because she's freaking gorgeous, but this one particular guy was like, what's that patient's name? And the only time I've ever replied to anybody was that, and I was like, Mrs. Cipriano, his wife.
Oh, I know. You know, right in the beginning when I first started, I would say I was always in that comment section, like firing back, and and then I'm like, all right,
Just
you know,
don't
this
engage.
is just somebody on the other end of a computer. There's no face to it. There, you know.
Totally.
So they're just gonna say anything that they want.
Oh yeah.
Yeah, I gave up. Every now and then, if I see like, you know, normal comments and whatnot, I'll actually like respond and. You know, like some people, oh, where can I try and find this? And
totally.
You know, I'll let them know or check my website. If not me, you know, I've got other docs on my site that, you know, if they're near them, they can at least go and see them. But yeah, when I get normal comments, I definitely like to respond. There was one video, this like meme thing started.
Oh no.
And everyone. It was like hilarious. Like the video has like 30,000 comments on it.
Oh, I'll have to. I wonder because I've seen them all.
It was an older one. It was like 2019. I bet you if you type in like extremely loud cracks.
Yeah.
Something like
Find
that.
it.
Or like
look
loud.
for a big comment section.
Yeah. And it was funny. The video wasn't like that. It wasn't the greatest one. Like, you know, I know ones that are gonna do better than others and whatnot. But
totally.
It was just funny. Somebody like got a meme going and then it like went out.
Yeah.
And then everyone like followed along with this meme. I was like, holy crap. Go face down.
Oh yeah, I know what's going on.
Left foot's pulling a little bit shorter than the right. Yeah, this obviously is all just super tight, even after that rapid vibration. Oof, right in here too.
Out of all the chiropractors and all the adjustments, when you do, you know, just like this on the back, I've never been able to get a crack that way. typically, you know, like when I'm face up and you do the fist at the back and we go back together, that's pretty much the only time I've ever been able to get any release at a chiropractor up there.
Dang, yeah, you got a few in here that are just like really bad out. These might hurt with me putting them back in. Just giving you a little FYI.
Thanks for the honesty, Doc.
My thing is, I always take a full body approach with patients, and not gonna lie, I'm a little bit more aggressive. My goal is getting things aligned as soon as, you know, like I'm not trying to get you on for 35 visits. I like you, but I don't want to be seeing you weekly. It's more of, honestly, I would say average patient is 3 to 4 times a year. Because my adjustments hold.
That's great. Oh my gosh. I don't ever get them like that. That was awesome. Oh, that was a pleasant surprise.
See if we drop in the lower thoracic if this guy will go. Oh, little one there. You know, and I always get people that are like, what do the drops do?
I know.
I just hear the table going down.
Totally.
Sure. Now you'll feel what these drops do.
Oh, yes. Why am I laughing so much? Oh.
Let me have you sit up on the table for me.
Facing that way?
Yep.
Oh, yeah.
How'd that feel?
Good. Good. Putting work in today, Doc. Twist me up. Oh, yeah. You got it. Oh my gosh, that got my hip. Oh, it on my hip. Oh, I've been dreaming of that one too. Oh, Lord Jesus. Whew.
Heck yeah.
Oh, that was. Yes. Oh, yeah. Let me see what you're using. Ooh, good Lord. Dr. Cipriano upgrade.
Oh yeah.
Whew. YouTube. My best angle.
Bring your arms like this for me.
Yes,
I want to
okay.
check the shoulders.
Okay.
So we're gonna stabilize right here.
Oh,
I'm gonna pull
I know
towards
what
me.
you- Okay.
Don't let me pull.
Don't let you pull.
Yep.
Okay. Ooh, ooh, that was sneaky, crunchy. Okay, don't let you pull. Little one there.
Just a
Yep.
little. Okay. Go face down again.
Okay.
I got some work on the low back though. You got a couple that are popping out at me here. So we'll get those lumbar vertebrae down. But I always go through, so I get each right and left SI joint. We'll work on the sacrum, L5 going up, and then even dropping into the thoracic spine as well.
Totally nervous about that left side pain. That's what I. Oh yeah. Ooh. Oh yeah. Ooh. Ooh.
Let me get this one more time in here.
Mama Sib edit your videos still? She talked
I
about it back in the day.
just got somebody new doing it.
Cool, look at you.
Only about 4 years later, you know?
No, it's so awesome.
Alright, we're gonna stabilize on the sacrum. Raise your right leg up for me.
Oh.
So we're
So
going.
the pain with that is on that left side, but I expected that.
Okay, so you're raising the right leg, pain on the left
Yes, for sure.
side. Raise the left one now.
Oh, yeah. Same pain, but worse.
Over in here?
Yep.
Okay.
And it's like it shoots down the leg.
Going down?
Yes.
Okay. Cross your left foot over the right. Good.
Oh.
Cross. Bend that knee.
Oh yeah, I've been wondering what this one feels like.
Actually slide down just a
Down a
tiny
little?
bit. Right there. Good.
Oh. Oh yeah, it hurts already. Oh yeah. Okay. Whew.
You relax this leg. I don't want you to engage your muscles. Let me lift it up.
That one just hurts over that. Oh. Okay. Oh. Oh, I'm trying to relax for you. Oh yeah, I'm pretty sure it's feeling better as you go. Oh yeah.
Raise your right leg up.
Oh yeah.
Raise your left leg up.
Oh, it's like fighting through the pain still, but again, I'm sure that's. Oh yeah, that's.
What do you feel?
Oh, it's just like if you have a bruise and you were like push your thumb in the bruise, you know, but yet also tickle, you know?
Yeah.
It's the good hurt though. So ticklish, I'm sorry, I'm trying to relax for you. Yeah, that popped up out of nowhere a couple months ago.
Really?
But I mean, I work 3 part-time jobs and they're all on my feet, so I'm not surprised.
Felt that one. Okay. How's that feeling down there?
Really good, thank you.
Yeah, that last one, I finally felt that L5 just like clunked back into place on me. See, and I could even tell, even with doing that vibration, your body wasn't like,
Uh-huh.
you know, kind of fighting. And raise that leg up first. Raise this one up.
Oh, man. Yeah. You know, you're the only guy who would let jiggle me on YouTube like this. Oh.
Let me have you flip onto your back.
Onto my back, okay. Oh, yes. And with that, sciatica, the worst pain ever when I was trying to think of ways to describe it, rolling over in bed at night is when it hurts the worst.
Oh, really?
Something about the muscle it takes to, yeah, down a little.
Relax, relax.
Oh. Oh, yeah. Oh, yep, felt that one.
I think you know what's coming.
Yes. Life is about to change forever. Say goodbye to the old Christy. Life will never be the same after this. So how come some people you have them hold their knees and some you don't? Oh yes, you were just gonna, I was wondering the difference, like, you know.
So hold on. When you do it, stand a little bit back.
Oh, wait.
so you don't get. Watch out.
Oh, good.
Don't want to get kicked.
Here.
Honestly, it just it just kind of holds you down a little bit. A lot of the times I don't really need it, but that I really want to try to make sure we kind of get the
Stabilize,
deeper.
is that the, okay, oh yes.
So
Yes.
Your practice.
Oh yeah. Oh yes. Oh yes. Yeah.
okay.
Oh Lord Jesus.
Yeah, I did the first thing on mine. First time I had it done, I was like, oh, hi, in the name of Father, Son.
Oh, a little bit in the neck.
Okay.
Yeah. Oh yeah.
You gotta get things loosened up.
Totally. Yep. And it was all right here.
All right there?
And it was a good one there, but yes, it was only right there, and that felt great though.
Good.
I wasn't expecting it right there actually. Up. Okay.
Yep. So we're gonna sit you up.
Okay.
Use the vibration.
Okay.
Get you back down for another wide strap.
Yeah, you got to get it real good so you can do your. So how did that feel? How did you feel? How did that feel? Step back and and you can tell the people who are hurting the mostest. You just get this like sincere. Oh God, I hope I didn't hurt you too bad. Like you know what I mean? You can tell there's only a few. You know, but when the people who are like bent over when they come in, you can tell you're like, oh God, I hope I don't make you feel any worse. You know, you're always so concerned.
I get the most off the wall cases.
Yeah, I bet. Obviously, I'm, so pro chiropractor work and life strap and all that, but when I went to actually the guy who I did not like and mentioned that this was not you specifically, but that the Y strap adjustment was a bucket list dream of mine, his word was, oh, you don't need it, it's just so barbaric. And I thought, okay. And he said, if you watch, you never see older people. And I said, well, actually, I do. I watch a lot. I see lots of older people.
Actually, doing the Y strap adjustment is safer than almost anything else.
Yeah.
So when I have older patients, you won't see me do drops because, or when I look at the paperwork and I see osteoporosis, osteopenia.
But you still do Y strap.
Oh,
Yeah.
You're not gonna affect anything. The most damage that can be done with the Y strap is a muscle pull. That's it.
Yeah.
There's nothing that can break. There's no artery that can,
I have zero concern about it.
Oh yeah, I knew you didn't.
Zero concern.
But yeah, that's why like other chiros out there that they're just unfamiliar with it and don't know.
Yeah.
They've never used it or had it done.
What about the one guy with the towel?
Honestly, same effect.
Yep, I wonder. And
Love it.
the way he locks the knees in, seems different. He has their feet up.
I don't, I've never had that done. I've had, like, even if I'm on vacation, my wife's like, oh, can you get me out, lay her on the bed, take a towel, boom,
Totally.
and
It works,
yeah, it works great. I've never done it with the legs up and knees bent, nothing like that, but I can tell you it's still gonna be a great adjustment.
Hold you good.
Thank you.
You do want the arms on the belly, right? Not hanging?
No, yeah.
Okay.
Keep them like that.
Oh, felt more. Yeah. Still in the neck. Oh. Yeah. It was definitely still here.
Okay.
Are there just some people who just don't go all the way down?
A lot of the
to
times.
the tailbone like everybody talks about.
Well, a lot of the times, depending on where somebody's
Stiffness and stuff?
like out of line the most, is where they actually feel it the most. So,
Interesting, okay.
But let's use the vibration and then let's bring you down again.
Okay, get this out of your way.
Go down just a
Yep,
little.
so the knees hang.
Yep.
Okay. Nope. Okay, though. It's all right. Maybe I'm just too stiff. And the neck ones were bomb.
So all three all
Yeah.
on the neck.
Yes, that one wasn't much. I didn't feel much in that one. And
Okay.
it was definitely 100%, like, you know how everybody talks about you feel the separation of spine? It was
Yeah.
definitely not that. It was just in the neck. And the same kind of pops when, like, I pop. I didn't feel any sort of separation.
Gotcha.
But again, it's just probably my tightness spine. So strong. I really feel like you're gonna pop the neck ever. But yeah, it's good. Do your friends always try to hit you up when you guys are just hanging out?
Oh, I purposely like.
Don't do that.
Yeah. Whenever I normally see family, oh,
Yeah.
did you bring your table? Nope. No, I did not.
Yes, yeah. I'm a hairstylist, so same thing. I've actually had people ask if I brought my scissors, like when we come to Florida for vacation. No, I'm not giving you a haircut on vacation.
How do you feel?
Good. I do feel good.
Yeah, stand up.
Yeah. Yes, all this feels all clear and feels good.
How's lower?
I definitely still, man, that felt really good. You got down to my hip even when we were sitting and twisting.
Yeah.
That's pain that I came in with is still there, which I believe is what is sciatic nerve. I don't really know much
Yeah,
about it. Is
yeah.
it so a nerve? So I, you know,
it's a nerve bundle.
still feel that, but you know, that other area feels good that I've been trying to pop forever and can't.
Yeah.
So that feels good. Yep. Feels good.
Let me check one thing. Lay on your back for me.
Back.
When you're feeling with the sciatica, more down the right or the left?
Always the left, never the right.
Okay. So undo just a few stretches first.
Okay. Yep. Yeah, stretch there for sure. Oh. Definitely, yep.
Come on now.
Okay.
How did that feel?
Felt good, yeah, no, the stretch was great, definitely, because that's definitely not a position I get myself into, so that felt awesome.
Yeah, it did a few different things, kind of checking to see if it's a little bit of the piriformis muscle or not. How's it feeling with that?
Feels good, I feel good.
Good.
Yep.
Let me get you to stand up.
Okay.
Watch it move around again.
Yeah, this part. Oh, yeah. Yep, yeah, I can't remember ever feeling good back here. Yep.
Good. And upper?
Yes, all of this especially is where I notice the most. I know you guys probably don't like it when we crack our own necks, but I do all day long. Nothing. Even like when we first started, I was laying down, they got way deeper than I've ever got. That was great.
Heck
Yeah, that was awesome.
Heck yeah.
That's awesome.
This is how you need to be feeling.
Uh-huh. Yep.
How often are you down here?
About every year.
Okay.
Yeah, and definitely would come back for sure. It was a year and a half this stretch, but we try
Gotcha.
it about once a year.
Okay.
Yeah.
See, now next time if you hit clear water
Yeah.
or something, then you're...
Yeah, I have a sister in Palm Harbor that we're meeting for lunch.
Oh, really?
Before we head to Orlando, we're staying one more night before we go home in the morning. So it is kind of nice. You're over here. I get to see a sister.
Heck
It's
yeah.
cool.
Heck yeah.